Hey everyone, Niharika here. In this video, I'm gonna show how we disassemble a wall clock. I'm gonna disassemble this now. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, let me remove all the screws in this. Over here, 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 and then one here, and 4 here. I removed this just now. These are a bit rusted because this is an old clock. Now let's get to the main part now. I'll just keep them aside now for now. Now let me remove this part now. Okay. Here we can see there are few wheels. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me also show you something about the small wheel. It's a magnet. As you can see, it is sticked. This is a magnet. In this bar over here, this magnet is placed between the two poles of this bar with obviously opposite poles, and this is how it works. Let me just quickly explain how this works. So let's mark a part on the small wheel. As you can see, it is rotating 180 degrees for each and every turn. This solenoid is gonna pass some EM wave so that this small wheel is gonna have this kind of function here. This gear transforms to this gear. These revolutions are transformed to this, and this is how the second hand works. So let's remove them also. Let's remove this board now. This is a solenoid here. As you can see, there are 3 gears here. 2 gears. There's a gear between these 2 gears, and the upper gear is responsible for minutes hand, and the other one, which is in between the 2 gears, is responsible for hours hand. Now I'm gonna reassemble this everything. Looks like the clock is working now. Okay, as you can see, I just assembled it. Let's just check if it's working or not. And yeah, it's working. And thanks for watching this.